Okay, we've got a 2015 Mazda 3 Touring with a manual climate control, and we're doing the Apple CarPlay retrofit. So there's a ton of YouTube videos on how to take off the glove compartment, the front dash, the head unit, etc. But really no videos we can find on how to remove the old module without taking apart the entire center console. We really didn't want to do that. There was one YouTube where a guy used a drill to drill out the tabs, and that seemed a little sketchy, especially if you look in here. There's a capacitor. See the purple capacitor on the right hand side? Drilling into a capacitor is bad news. So we've got our negative battery terminal disconnected, and what we ended up doing, this is from the original stock unit, flip down the SD card and you see these two holes where my thumb is, 1, 2. We took 2 of these hook tools, Harbor Freight, they're like $3, and my son and I each looped one in. Can you hold that piece up? And flip it open. Like,
yep. All right.
All right, so we each put a hook in like that and kind of did a 1, 2, 3 pull, and it came off completely clean.
Yeah, straight out.
So this didn't break at all. So then we had our unit in here, and I'm not going to put it back in, but you could see the little gaps, 1, 2, 3, 4 in each corner, and that's where the tabs were. And we didn't really break many. We just kind of broke this top right one, and the bottom ones cracked a little bit, but not totally broken. So what I ended up doing was just taking a thin screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, shoved it into each one of those 4 pockets and just gave a little twist. And then I could notice it was flexing. So I took a small pair of pliers and grabbed onto here and just yanked, and it just came out in one nice motion. So yeah, hard part's over. Now we're on to the next step, but hopefully that helps somebody.